Hey, what's up, everyone? Thanks for watching and tuning in. As you can see from the title of the video and the caption, we did it. This is the video that this pretty much channel and this little YouTube thing started in hopes of making eventually would be this video. We have the record. We ran the number, did what I wanted to do and planned to do, and I'm still soaking it in and really grateful that it happened and thankful, and the car's still in one piece. I'd like to do more of a recap video of this weekend and kind of explain how it went down and what happened in between each pass and break down the slips. I had a bunch of videos and, content made of me talking, and it really makes the video from 5 or 10 minutes of racing to like 40 minutes of just me trying to talk about everything and cover all the bases. So I'm going to put out this video first, kind of a quick clip, quick video of the racing, the slips, a little bit of info, me talking right now for a minute or two, and that'll kind of get the point across and the word out and get some content up on the channel for the pass. And then maybe in a few days I'll upload a video and break down the passes, what I changed, what my mindset was. And then I'd even like to make a video after that of a walk around of the car, underneath of it, inside of it, show the parts, thank people, just do the whole nine. So if I did all of that in one video, it'd be an hour long. So here's some footage from the past weekend, the record-setting pass, kind of little quick summary of it. Just want to thank Lund Racing, Jon Jr. for tuning the car, Kelly Aiken, Kelltrac, suspension. You guys are about to see what the suspension did for me in this car. Brett Lasala on the trans, NLR AMS 2000, Sebastian, Precision Turbo, 6466s. I mean, just there's some key parts to this. Circle D, I just shared a post on my Facebook that this car wouldn't do what it did if it wasn't for this converter. Yeah, it was a combination and a group effort from myself, from everybody that I asked, from all the questions, all the messages, all the insight from the professionals, from the experts, from the guys that have been in the game for a long time, and then some hard work, some money, and some time and some effort from myself. And this is the outcome. When you have a good tuner, good suspension, good parts, strong engine, you can drive, you can learn and do things to help yourself be better for your next pass. When you factor all of that stuff in, this is the outcome. So check it out, subscribe, comment, like, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, social media. I post a lot of stuff on all the Mustang groups. So tune in for the next video and I'll kind of recap it a little bit more. And then we'll get a walk around video and some in-depth stuff of the car itself. I get a lot of questions about what part do you have, or why'd you do this, or should I do this if my plan's this. So let's save that for the next two videos, and let's stick to showing this of the new 7-second factory overdrive transmission 6R80 stock motor car 790 173. Thanks.
Red light start for the left-hand side.
there you have it. That's pretty much the content and the clips and the videos that I have from that weekend of racing. Wasn't the best. Wish I had a GoPro in the car. Wish I got more footage. I'm kind of a one-man show at times. My buddies that go with me, they race. They were racing at this event. They got to maintain and drive and race and do their own car. And any kind of pit crew that I have isn't always there. Work, other plans. So I was a little bit of a one-man show, especially this weekend, but that makes it even better, in my opinion. I think for the 7-second pass, I was literally calling someone while I was rolling up to the burnout box about come get a video. So, or else I wouldn't even had that. So pretty awesome. That's kind of where we stand right now. I'm content. I'm happy. I'm grateful. Can't say it enough. Thank everybody. I did my thanks and posts on social media. I don't want to do it 10 times over. Everybody knows who played a part, and I reached out to them directly and thanked them. Just for some disclaimer, a lot of people have issues with, is it really a stock motor? What does it have? It's all opinion based. My definition of stock motor could be different than the next guy's. I could agree with 5 people. The next 5 people could have a completely different outlook. It's a micro record. I'll admit it's a micro record. I don't think that by any means I'm the fastest or the quickest Mustang ever, or the fastest turbo Mustang ever, or the fastest 6R80 car. It's a micro record, and I get it, but it's my micro record. So I'm happy. Like I said, as a disclaimer, did someone go 7s before, supposedly stock motor? Yes. I supported that guy in that car and not thanked him, but congratulated him and thanked him for a part that he played in my car. Did he do it with a factory transmission behind it? No. Did he do it with the transmission that probably cost more than the engine? Yes. Did the transmission play a factor into why he went as fast or as quick as he did? Yes. That's just facts. So my record is stock motor with the factory transmission. When my car in 2016 came off the production line, the motor that's in it was in it then. The transmission that's in it now was in it then. The head gaskets that are between the head and the block were in it then. The heads have never been off. Stock pistons, stock rods, stock block, stock sleeves, stock crank pulley. I mean, the heads have never been off. The transmission has been a part, of course, to make it reliable. It still has all 6 gears. I know that may rub some people the wrong way too. But that 1-2 shift on a 6R80 in that first gear is what makes these transmissions hard to go fast with. And I did it with all of them. So that's it. Stock motor, 6R80, leaving in first gear, car that I built and set up myself with the help of others remotely. Built this car back my house. The house that I'm sitting in right now, right out back, 2-car garage with a lift. Did it last winter, the winter of 2021 into 2022. I've only been racing this car for 1 season, this season, since May. It went 890s off the trailer, and 6 months later, we're going 790s. Haven't changed much in that time period other than some weight and some things I learned and some changes that I made. But this car sits pretty close to what it did when I first put it together. And it's made the progress, and the hard work has now paid off. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Once again, didn't want to get on here and rant again, but I know there would be some comments or when I share this on social media, what's the record, or that's not a record, or it's a micro record, or somebody did it before you. I'm well aware of what it is, and the people in my corner and on my team and the people that have helped me are well aware as well. What I did was a pretty hard feat, and I did it. What's next? I'm not sure, but like I said, we're going to do another video, a recap the weekend, and then we'll do a walk around for everybody There's questions of how the car sits. Is it fully gutted? The car has heat and AC still. Saturday in the lanes, when it was hot, the AC was on. When it's cold at night, the heat's on at the track. A week prior to this event, it was down Ocean City, Maryland for Hot Rod Weekend, burning through 3 tanks of fuel, driving everywhere with a passenger, out to eat, put 300, 400, 500 miles on the car in one weekend. It's a street car. It's got a digital dash. It's got Apple CarPlay. You put the factory driver's seat back in it. It would have heated and cooled seats. You put pump fuel in it, and you can drive it anywhere. There's a gas station on the corner of my street that's got Rural Farms ethanol out the pump. I would drive this car on a factory set of rims and tires with pump ethanol in it anywhere tomorrow. Put some filters on the turbos maybe, but it's a street car. And it just went 790. Can't believe it. So keep tuning in, and thanks. And we'll see what the next video leads into and where we go from here. All right. Thanks, everyone.